Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Flat.
What does the dictionary say?
Level, even, or without unevenness of surface, as land or tabletops.
Math rap.
Commonly found in the second or third dimension, it's not a curvy or bumpy situation. A cube, for example, has 6 sides flat. A pyramid has 5. You can count on that.
Math rap.
Explain flat in your own words. Why was the music teacher sad? His tires be flat. Name 3 reasons a bicycle tire can go flat. Is a bicycle tire really flat when it runs out of air? People say pancakes are flat. Are they? Why or why not? List 10 things that fit the perfect definition of flat.
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!